Now, Action 10's Cole Vaughn with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Wow, take a look at this right here. This is a rare water spout that edged close to a Malaysian island earlier today. The spout was seen spinning from about 5 miles before it briefly arrived on land. Social media users posted images of their close encounter with the water spout just before it dissipated. Well, we're not strangers to that here in the coastal bend. We haven't seen any in quite a while, though. It's been a relatively quiet, severe weather season so far. Let's take a look at what we were doing today, though. We had a lot of clouds out there, but look up here in Beeville. We've got a little bit of blue sky for today. It's a very welcome sight, and up there where that blue sky is at, 60 degrees right now. You see that wind still blowing north-northeast at 8 miles per hour, so it is a chilly breeze out there. Also, right now in Kingsville, 59. See, the clouds are a little thicker, but notice the dew point. The dew point is down there at 45 degrees. That is some pretty pleasant air that is in place. It's not incredibly humid outside if you step out there for this afternoon. Now, that is going to start to change, though. As we go through the next 5 days, you're going to see a big change in this. In fact, tomorrow, still going to be feeling pretty nice outside. We're kind of transitioning back to that more spring-like feel. Then as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, very humid out there with temperature dew points up there into the 60s. And then as we get into Saturday, that's going to feel oppressive. We're going to see the dew points finally top that 70-degree mark. We haven't done that very many times so far this year, but that's something that we typically see in the summer months. So you can tell we're definitely transitioning to the warmer season. Now here on radar, you did see we had a little drizzle down there in the coastal bend. We've also had some more light rain across East Texas for today. Yesterday actually had a pretty decent soaker around the region, about 3/4 of an inch. A little less, a little more, just depending on where you were, but that was a pretty good average estimation. Now here on water vapor, you see we've got this swirl in the clouds. That's an area of low pressure that's sitting right there to our north. That's going to be on its way out of here, and it's also going to take away the rain chances with it as we head into tomorrow. Also notice what's going on just to our west. You see we have a little bit of a ridge flow just to our west there. That's going to be headed into the coastal bend as we head into tomorrow, and that will help to deliver some much nicer weather to our region. So let's show you here on Future Tracker. You see, watch this high very closely as it moves right over the state of Texas as we head into tomorrow. That will deliver the sunshine, and so tomorrow will be our nicest day of the week. Humidity will be pretty comfortable, so will the temperatures, and we should have plenty of sunshine outside. Then as we get into Wednesday, high pressure starts to move away, and we bring in a little weather system up there across North Texas. It's going to be too far away to do much in the way of rainfall for us, but we will see a pretty decent increase in cloud cover as well as maybe a couple of stray showers on Wednesday. Then we bring in another area of high pressure, so this week there's going to be a lot of going back and forth. That should keep most of this rain off to our east. We will still see plenty of cloud cover around for Thursday, though. And then as we head into Friday and Saturday, we start to turn our eyes back to the west for what could be a little bit more potent rainmaker coming into the region. So you notice by the time we hit Saturday, look at a lot of this rain beginning to develop across South Texas. So it's a long ways out, so we're still keeping those rain chances conservative. However, it does look like this weekend is likely to bring some rain to the region. So we'll show you Future Tracker for the next 24 hours or so. You see all of that sunshine throughout the day tomorrow. We're going to start it with sunshine, finish it up with mostly sunny skies. But then as we get into Wednesday, watch those clouds just roll right back in. Maybe some little sprinkles out there as well. So it's going to be a big change between tomorrow and Wednesday. For tomorrow's forecast, we start the day with that temperature right there around 45 degrees. Very chilly out there, so have the jacket as you take the kids to school. But we're up to 73 for the afternoon, so it just needs to be a light jacket that they can shed during the afternoon. We start to bring in maybe a couple more clouds as we finish up the day. You also notice those winds are going from the north like we are today back to that southeast wind, which will start to bring in the changes. So here's your 7-day forecast. Notice that as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, it gets a little breezier, also warming those temperatures. We're up into the 80s by the time we hit Thursday, and then by the time we hit Saturday, there you go. We start to bring those rain chances back into the region. And look at Sunday, up to 87 degrees. It's going to be a toasty end to the weekend.